Yo, what's good, fam? This is your guy Tanna of Tanna Does Tech. And people, this video right here is an iPhone tutorial that you're gonna dig. Because if you thought I just did cool Android tutorial videos, no. Because the iPhone XR is my daily driver. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And people, if you want to go ahead and cop this merch right here, this t-shirt, man, oh man, oh man, the link is below in the description for the very, very low price of 20 bucks. No doubt about it. But anyway, peeps, I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode on your iPhone. So enough of me yapping. It's time to make it happen. Let's go. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to the settings menu. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now scroll down to general. Tap on that. Then after that, go to accessibility. Then in accessibility, you want to go to display accommodations. Tap on that. Now what you want to select in there is invert colors. No question about it. So tap on that. And you got two selections in there. The smart invert and the classic invert. The one that you want to select is a smart invert, because what that does is it blacks out everything except for your pictures and important things like that. But if you do the classic invert, man, that's going to reverse all the colors and everything and have everything looking like hot garbage. You don't want that. So what you want to do is hit that tab right there next to smart invert, like so, and bam, there it is. You're not gonna hate me. No doubt about it. And people, this right here is hella fat lit. Now I'm about to open the dialer so I can show you what I'm talking about. Now see that right there, how everything is blacked out beautifully, but the pictures are still in their natural state and looking good? Man, that's high sorcery. Now let me take it to Instagram so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about within the apps too. Here we go. Now see that right there? That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to The Rock. Man, everything is blacked out and looking hella saucy. That's why I chose smart invert, because if I'd have chose classic invert, people, man, it had your damn phone looking like hot garbage and everything would have been ass backwards, and you guys would have been roasting me in the comments asking Tanna what the hell were you thinking making this damn video. Damn right. You know what I'm saying? I can't do that. I gotta bring you guys that heat, that fire, that smoke, hey, because you guys deserve it. No question about it. Now see that, fam? It's just that simple and just that easy to make your iPhone legit and lit. Woo! Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.